In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can install Brave browser in your Windows 10 or 11. So just go to any browser and search for Brave, and here you can see brave.com. So you need to go to this link, and over here you can see get Brave button over here and here as well. So we just need to click any of those button and it will start downloading Brave browser. Here you can see. So now we just need to double click on this downloaded file. After that, here you can see it is downloading. So it will take some time to download essential files for Brave browser. So right now I'll just fast forward the video until it's done. And there you can see download is complete. Now it will install Brave browser. So once the installation is complete, it will automatically open the Brave browser. And here you can see import bookmarks now. So if I now just click here, and here it will take us to this page, and from here I can choose any other browser that is installed in my device. For example, I have Opera installed in my device, so I'm going to select Opera and I'm going to choose browsing history, bookmarks and password, and I'm going to click here import, and there you can see bookmark and settings are ready. So I'm going to click on done, and there you can see we have some bookmarks over here, and we also got history from Opera browser in this Brave browser as well. So yeah, this is how you can install Brave and import bookmarks and other data from other browser. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.